Hello friends, welcome to Chemionix. In this video we will see how to set up the CTB. So on the screen you can see the 4 different lines with a different color. I have given the layer also. So if I click on the layer you can see the 4 different layer with the names and the colors. So for me it's the thin line, this is the medium line, this is the thick line, and this is the very thick line. Now I need to change the color. I need to give the single color for all 4 lines and also need to change the line width while plotting. So what I need to do is I will click on the layout tab. You can see I have set up on the page size already. I will click right click over here, then go to page setup manager. In page setup manager I will click on modify. In this page setup layout 1 is the name of the drawing file. In the page setup we can see these are all the standards and we will focus on the CTB only. So over here if we click on the drop box we can see the number of CTB files which are already provided by the Autodesk. But now as per my requirement I need to set up my own CTB file. So I will, for the reference, I will click on the AutoCAD.ctb and I will click on the edit tab over here. Once we click on the edit tab, the plot style table edited dialog box comes over here. So here we can see as I have given the 4 different colors for 4 different lines, and these 4 colors are the first 4 color over here, that is color red, yellow, green and cyan color, that is blue. So I need to give all these 4 color the single color, that is black, while printing. So while changing the color of individual we can select the individual or as well as all 4 together by clicking shift tab. So all these 4 are selected. Now on the right hand side on the property box we can see the color. In this, on the drop box we can give the color as per requirement. As I said, I need to print it into black color. So I will set all these 4 into the black. This means the color in the DWG file will be the same, but while printing this color will be in the black. So if we cross check for color cyan, green and everything, so that is black already. Now as I said, for me this is the thin line, this is medium, this is thick and this is very thick line. So I need to change the line width while plotting or printing. It is nothing but to represent, like if I need to show like line color, that is thin line is for fence, then medium line is for wire, maybe this is for some harness or etc. So I need to change the thickness of every line. So what I will do is I will click on the red color, that is my first, that is for thin line. I will go over here, that is line width. So in line width we will click on the drop box. We can see the number of line widths over here. So as I said, this is thin line, so let's click on the line width 0.05 mm. Okay, now for medium, that is color yellow, we will click on the line width and we will give let's say 0.2 mm. For 3 color, that is for thick line, we will click again on the line width over here and we will take it as 0.45 mm. And at the last, on the very thick line, that is blue color, I will give the line width of 0.7 mm. So to save these changes of our own as per our requirement, we will make the duplicate or the file of our own. For that we will click on the save as. By clicking on the save as, there are multiple CTBs file. We can also change the path by going into options and the file setting, and we can set up and make the new path and we can copy over there also. So now for now we will save this file with the name as per our requirement. Let's take it as black and white and save. Here so I will make a save as. Now to look at the difference, I will keep it to AutoCAD already. I will make it as OK. Here close. Then if we write plot here and enter, here we can see the preview command is hide. So in the print and the plotter we will click for now for Microsoft print to PDF. Okay, now we can see it's highlighted. So we will go on the preview for ACAD CTB. What we will get is the original one as per the DWG and the color values. But now if we click on the black and white CTB, what we have set already with the color and the line width, we click black and white CTB over here, we click on OK. Oh, sorry, again I will go to site plot setup manager, modify. I will click on black and white CTB, then OK, then close. Now again I will write plot command, enter. Here we can see Microsoft print to PDF, then again preview. Now we can see the changes what we have made, that all 4 different line has been set to the single color, that is color black as per our requirement, and also the line width what we have provided for every individual has been changed. Like for thin we have set up for 0.05, 0.2, it is maybe 0.3, or for what we have given it's 0.4, and then the last one was 0.7. So according to this we can do the changes and set up our own CTB like as we did for black and white. Hope you understood this.